Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Jira to Slack for issue notifications. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Jira instance in a web browser. Log in with your credentials. Navigate to the project for which you want to set up Slack notifications. Click on Project Settings in the left sidebar. Select Integrations from the list of options. Look for the Slack integration option and click on it. You will see a prompt to connect your Slack workspace. Click on the Connect to Slack button. A new window will open, asking you to authorize the connection. Log into your Slack account if prompted. Select the Slack workspace you want to link with Jira. Click on the Allow button to grant access. Once the integration is established, you will return to the Jira page. Choose the Slack channel where you want issue notifications to be sent. Click on the Add to Channel button. In the settings, customize your notification preferences. Select the types of notifications you want to receive, such as issue updates or comments. Save your settings to finalize the integration. Now, your Jira issues will automatically notify the selected Slack channel. Test the connection by creating a new issue in Jira. Check your Slack channel for the notification to confirm integration success. You have now successfully connected Jira to Slack for issue notifications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.